Select the data you'd like to analyze in your pivot table. If selecting the entire table, click Ctrl or Command A. Go to Insert. On the left of the top bar, you'll see Pivot Table, which you will click. You can also do this by pressing Alt and V. Now that you're here, first, you can see the income, revenue, and expenses by state or any other variable you so choose. Second, you can add additional variables such as name or GPA and drag them over to rows. When doing this, go to Design, Report Layout, Show in Tabular Form, then you're going to uncheck the subtotal for each of the variables. Third, if you don't want to show all states at once, you can put them or any variable as a filter and select only those which you want to appear. In my example, I have chosen California and Nevada.